So this is Cape St. Francis. This is where I'm going to walk around, show you some footage, maybe tell you a little history about it, all while I enjoy a coffee at some point. I decided to keep my motorcycle parked up here because it's probably not worth risking it. It's pretty sketchy, but the rest of the road I just came on was just as sketchy. Anyway, let's go down and have a look. This actually connects to the East Coast Trail. You can start out in Pouch Cove, which is about 5, maybe 6 kilometers from here. It's likely you're not going to hear it on the camera, but there's a little spot here if you stand. So you got the ocean waves crashing on the shore there, and whatever way they're bouncing off these rocks and echoing, as soon as you step right here, it's almost like it becomes stereo. You can hear more of your left ear the way it's bouncing off. I know, it's a weird thing, but just something I noticed. Nothing will ever beat the sound of the ocean, or the look of it, or the smell of it. I can see the graffiti folks were here at one point. Actually looks kind of cool. Zoom in a little closer. You suck. Yeah, the message probably might not be the best. But there's a heck of a lot worse things to be doing. Like that. Is that a forget-me-not, I wonder? It's kind of got that look to it. Well now, there goes that plan. Guess I'm not going out there. The last time I was out here, you could actually get out there. I'm not sure if I was permitted out there or not, but I managed to sneak out there, I guess like everybody else was doing, but I won't attempt it now. Too close to the edge for my liking. Good deterrent. It's funny, once I get off my arse and go out and grab the motorcycle and actually come out to these places, every single time I'm wondering why I don't do it more often. Every single time I say I will do it more often, but it doesn't usually happen. And I mean, a lot of people would give anything for this right now, and I appreciate that. And as you can see from the app, takeoff is permitted. There's nothing restricting me in this area. Here we go. And it'll just hover there until I do something with it. So, goodbye, drone. was gonna go up there for my coffee, but somebody else parked there while I was down this way. It's okay, they were probably gonna come to this spot anyway. So I'm gonna set up here. All right, let's get this on the go. Get my stove going. Usually takes me a few tries. First try, bonus. Wasn't expecting that, but I'll take it. Barrels. So I got a little left over to wash off my cup from all the coffee grinds afterwards. Yeah, she's ready. Gotta get my coffee out. Starting to get low. Time to pick up some more of that Starbucks stuff. It's actually not bad for this little device. It's great. It's like a little percolator that you bring. Actually, it's not really a percolator. It's more of a press. Yeah, a coffee press. That's what this is called. Not a percolator, sorry. Must be the fresh air getting to me. That should be good. Give it a little shake, or a swirl for the fun part. I love this part, just watching the coffee flow. Oops, I'm stuck. There we go. That's the magic. And she's done. This is my third favorite part. Favorite part is the actual pressing of the coffee. Third favorite part is the pouring of that freshly brewed coffee. Yes. And that was my second favorite part, sampling the coffee. Yeah, you can never beat boiled up coffee when you're outside the fresh air. So that lighthouse actually first came into operation on January 10th, 1877, and the first lighthouse keeper was a man named John Hogan. A man named Jonas Soper was the first, I don't know what you'd call it, foghorn technician, engineer. In 1957, the original lighthouse was replaced with a duplex. The last lighthouse keeper to stay here was in 1975, and then the duplex was demolished back in 1993. So this is all you have left. Well, that's it for another day. Until the next time, go home and charge my batteries. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy the ride back.